straight. Let's get started. I think we're good to go. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Vaugh Show. Today we are on another amazing Airbnb tour. Yes, Airbnb tour. You know I love the Airbnb tours because this is where I stay, it's where I rest my head, and that is very vital to me when I travel because I need my rest. So today we're going to talk about this 1,800 square foot apartment, 2-level, located in Dar Salaam, Tanzania. When I was deciding whether or not where I was going to stay in Tanzania, I was like, well, do I want to stay, I'm in Dar Salaam, was I going to stay on the outskirts or was I going to stay like in the downtown area, so in the central area where I could get around? So of course, I'm going to pick the central area that's located close to the airport, which is about 20 minutes away from the apartment that I'm staying in, and then also near the ferry terminal in which I needed to get across to Zanzibar. This 1,800 square foot apartment is absolutely breathtaking. It is 3 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms. It is the upstairs, downstairs. It has a full-size kitchen. It's located on the 10th floor of this amazing tower building that is downtown Dar Salaam. It is literally across the street from the ferry terminal. So if you have to go and catch the ferry over to Zanzibar, you literally can walk out of your front door straight to the ferry to get over to Dar Salaam. And again, it's also a 20-minute ride from the airport. You have a piano, you have a full-size 50-inch television, flat screen. The 3 bedrooms are located on the top floor of the building. Also too, they all have, well, 2 bathrooms have deep bathtubs. I mean the ones that you can like submerge your body in. Like I literally took a bath last night, lit some candles, just relaxed and chill, and had just had an amazing time. Amazing time. Around so you can see the apartment. Here is the absolutely breathtaking views of outside. You can see this, which is located near the ferry, like I was discussing earlier. This is the couch area. I have my laptops and stuff here, so flat screen television located there, piano located there, and then there's that amazing kitchen. Amazing kitchen, and that's one of our bathrooms. As we go upstairs, I'll show you some of the bedrooms. We have a bathroom located there. As you guys can see, I junkied it up. A bedroom located here. Bedroom located here. And then finally I have one located here as well. So I'll walk around so you guys can see it. So this is what it looks like. And then the bathroom is here. This guy will give you a quick vlog tour so you can see what it looks like. I mean, it's great. Like, it's a great place to stay, I promise. All right, so we're gonna head on back downstairs. Absolutely amazing. It has another sitting area. It has an outdoor balcony area. And also the 3 bedrooms. There's 2 standard bedrooms, and then there's 1 master bedroom that gives you the amazing view of the water, of the Indian Ocean, and you can also see Cocoa Beach located from here as well. And then you also can see like the downtown area and the people hustling and bustling every single day. I mean, you can see the street food, the vendors. They really did a great job of putting this apartment together for people to come and stay and rest, because again, when I come on vacation, like, resting is key. When you've been filming all day and you need a place to lay your head, like, this is the place to go. Thank you guys for watching my Airbnb tour today in Dar Salaam, Tanzania. Again, make sure you like, share, subscribe, click that bell, and we'll see you in the next episode.